Ono mukyala ali anulule ne byaddala mulaavu kati commitment like the ring nembaga is it in plan oba tunalabira eyo byaddi
era bituuse tetunabirowooza nako kyanoonya ssente
mukyanoonya ssente
ate mwagala tubayita ate tukole meeting tubasabeze mmere.
Allow me to let the fire baby go. Sicho? People want a party. Let me give one last person an opportunity to ask. Come over. But make sure your question is brief, yeah?
Winnie. You're my namesake. How are you?
Hi, Winnie.
I'm okay, Winnie, namesake. My question is one.
Yes.
How do you make the work and life balance live? Because it's hard for me to live and work balance.
Okay, abatawulidde ekibuuzo ogenda otya mu gym n'oyimba n'oyagala omwami wo n'obeera mulaavu obibalansinga otya?
Fitness, fit, ngera bondaba sobola bonna.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Winnie Nwagi.
I was the producer.
Oh yeah.
And Mozeso wrote the song.
Oh yeah. Is it available on all platforms?
Yes.
So this is, if you're a true Winnie Nwagi fan, Jayesimu, download that song like right now, okay? Mwaka funaddae. Kuba akalala ko kubiri, the last one, and we'll let the...
I have never attended a concert in my life. Kasitaba ngamba ya Winnie Nwagi. Nengulirawo kana akapale. Nengamba, me I am a Fire Baby fan. I have to look like Fire Baby. Zera yonna ku Facebook kutimanya akwogeraku Winnie Nwagi tasobya. Yakunze Nwagi tasobya. Numa muli ali ku Facebook muli wamu. Fire Baby tasobya.
Thank you. Let's keep the questions brief and we'll premiere the new music.
Thank you so much. I'm not going to ask you a question. I just want to thank you for empowering you women and for motivating young girls. You're so amazing. We love you so much. And keep the spirit burning. We love you, Fire Baby. We'll forever do. And we love you.
Thank you.
Chokoyo gola baba ku Salama Road. Zibale simaiti abe Salama Road mmanye oluzungu. Okay, come on. Just one question. It's a joke. You come from Entebbe, eh? Okay. This is the last question.
Hey, Winnie. Hey. Hi, Big Mama.
I'm good.
Come. You're the last one, yeah? Ebisigadde mugenda bisindika ku social media ya Villa. Guys. Abasajja sibalaba.
Hi, Nwagi. We love your song, the one, but what inspired you? Which one? What do you love, the one?
Yeah, the one. The song, the one. What inspired you?
Love inspired me. Of course, I'm a lover.
Mwagala kubuuza ekibuuzo. Nkibuuze? Mubuuze? Eh? Jangu buze. Mama Winnie, are you in a relationship? Do you have a man? Bebagambye. Wama simwe mungambye ekibuuze? Wama, you have a man?
Yes, I am.
So, you know it? You know the man, eh?
Hi, Winnie. I have one question. Can you really give me a hug? A tight one?
Yakakugamba she has a man.
Hug it with a hug.
Ajimuinga funny, eh? Winnie, Damo Sabe. Hey! Asaba, again.
Yeah, there's a friendly hug.
Bye. Engoye zo tozoza, eh? Tozoza. Now, Winnie, Mia, I want to ask you, Rachi watadde nyimba bbiri omulundi gumu, because that's the reason why we're here. Like, why release 2 songs at the same time?
Love makes the world go round and round and round. So that love etambuza ekintu so kati natunulidde nnyo love since njibeeramu nnyo also why I released 2 songs. My fans were so thirsty for my music.
So this is what we're gonna do. Tugenda ziwulirizamu bbiri, eh? And we want honest feedback from you, yeah? Honest feedback. Ebibuuzo bingi. Kasooke tuwulirize ku nnyimba, then after we'll get your questions. DJ Magic. Mubiwulira. Vipi bandi mwasomye oba? I'm loving your love, baby. Yeah, baby. Muganyi.
Acoustic comes out.
Acoustic? Beautiful.
Fire, baby. You're going south.
Go now.
Wally. Get and bring you someone time. Tick-tick-tick-tick, I'm not going to the city. Moving a winter, and then get and bring you someone time. Tick-tick-tick-tick, I'm not baby. And I work as a sana, and you mention a muscle, pretending you're your baby. Your love is making me go crazy. One time, but I'm no Messiah, but I'm one day. Come on. Because I was okay. When I breakfast in bed, you were going to win. I guess
what you say?
When I sanga mujendaga, utunyo kuyanga setaga.
Appetite.
Numutima nga kwemuwa, wasuka kuye chama, chamba sikwa kwelwa sana talanga. Hey, I'm loving your love, baby. It's a quick and bit I'm loving your love, baby. One thing I see the bottom, I'm loving your love, baby. It's a quick and bit I'm loving your love, baby. Electric guitar melody, mama told the tight sanity. And on your Uganda, California, Kakuride, Akusina, when I'm on your Yamula. All in energy, but what to my not to know, baby.